Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever sent out an email campaign and wondered why so many of your messages end up in spam, or why your open rates aren't as high as you'd hoped, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 3 simple but crucial tips to help you avoid spam filters when you're sending emails with Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to boost your deliverability, keep your campaigns out of the dreaded spam folder, and actually reach the people who want to hear from you. So let's dive right in. First up, and this is absolutely foundational, only use permission-based lists. It's tempting sometimes to try shortcuts, but never ever buy or scrape email lists from the internet. Not only is this bad practice, but it's a guaranteed way to get yourself flagged by spam filters and possibly banned from Mailchimp altogether. When you send emails to people who haven't asked for them, you're much more likely to get marked as spam, which hurts your reputation as a sender. Instead, make sure every single contact on your list has clearly and explicitly opted in to receive your emails. Think of this like inviting friends to a dinner party. You wouldn't show up at someone's house unannounced, and you definitely wouldn't invite people who don't want to be there. If you want to go the extra mile, and I highly recommend it, enable double opt-in. This means that after someone signs up, they'll get a confirmation email and will need to click a link to verify their subscription. Not only does this confirm they genuinely want to hear from you, but it also drastically improves your sender reputation in the eyes of email providers. Next, let's talk about the actual content of your emails, specifically avoiding spam trigger words and formatting mistakes. It might sound obvious, but little details matter here. Avoid using all caps in your subject lines or main message. It can feel like shouting, and spam filters definitely notice. The same goes for excessive exclamation points. Sending an email that says "buy now" or "free" might sound exciting, but to the algorithms watching behind the scenes, this sends up big red flags. Try to write your copy the way you'd speak to a friend, friendly and inviting but not pushy. Also, keep an eye on your text-to-image ratio. If your email is just one big image or mostly images with very little text, spam filters are more likely to block or misclassify your message. As a rule of thumb, include plenty of relevant text to explain your offer, update, or story. Think of images as the spice, not the main course. They enhance your message but shouldn't overpower it. Remember, clarity and authenticity always win. Our third and final tip is a little technical, but it's absolutely worth doing. Authenticate your sending domain. What does that mean? Well, when you send an email through Mailchimp, you want to make sure that email providers, like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, know that Mailchimp is allowed to send on behalf of your website or domain. To do this, set up 3 key authentication methods: SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Don't worry if those acronyms sound intimidating. Essentially, these are records you add to your domain settings to prove that your emails are legitimate. When everything's set up, your chances of landing in the inbox rather than the spam folder go way up. This setup might take a few moments, and you may need help from your web host or IT team, but it's a one-time effort that pays off in every campaign you send. And that's it. Follow these 3 tips and you'll be leaps and bounds ahead of most mailers. As always, if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, comment below with any questions, and hit subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next campaign.